The Traumatic Brain Injury Award is funded by the Decimus Strachan Charitable Trust and Edith Sweeney Estate, and the recipient this year is Dr. Peter Crack from the University of Melbourne for his project Limiting the Damage in Traumatic Brain Injury.
Your Excellency, Brain Foundation board members, distinguished colleagues, I would first like to acknowledge the people I work with, Dr. Juliet Taylor, Dr. Moses Zhang and Mr. Robert Aites, who are key members of my research team at the University of Melbourne. 4 years ago, another one of my team, Dr. Lucy O'Donovan, fell down 2 stairs, not unlike the ones in front of you, and spent 3 weeks in an induced coma. Lucy was unable to return to work, and Lucy is still unable to work as a scientist. From that moment, traumatic brain injury became a major research focus of my research group. And I'm pleased to say that we feel that we are making some progress, and with the generous support of the Brain Foundation, we will be able to make more progress. We have identified what we believe to be a key molecular pathway that controls the neuroinflammation in the brain after a traumatic brain injury, and have identified a monoclonal antibody that blocks that response and is neuroprotective after the event. And serendipitously, there is a large multinational company that has a humanised version of that monoclonal antibody in clinical trials for something completely different. They don't believe that it works in traumatic brain injury. Hopefully, this grant from the Brain Foundation will convince them to translate this therapy into clinical trials, and so we can then have a first call therapy for traumatic brain injury. Thank you very much.